Tomorrow I'll be meeting with Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Multan, and we want to do more trade and investment between Malaysia and Pakistan. I've been telling business people in Malaysia and also business people in Pakistan that we should encourage and we should increase our trade relation because our economy is complementary. What you have here, we need your product here in Malaysia, especially your agriculture products like your basmati, your mangoes, your onions, your potatoes. We import that from various parts of the world. And halal cooperation, halal industry. Malaysia is championing halal industry all over the world, and we are cooperating with Pakistan in this regard. And also, Pakistani business people can come to Malaysia and learn from our experience how we develop our computer technology industry. And Malaysia also is one of the aerospace industry in the region. We conduct modified, repair, and overhaul jet engines in Malaysia. And this kind of thing we can collaborate more. And I just want to highlight one thing. Malaysia and Pakistan, we are the two countries that first signed free trade agreement back in 2007. So we should move beyond that now. And we should increase more on our trade and investment opportunities. So thank you for that.